Hello everybody, this is dietitian Aisha. Today in this video I'll be talking about the foods to keep your lungs healthy which prevents corona disease. So I have prepared a list. Here comes the list. Fatty fish, avocado, chili peppers, red bell peppers, ginger, bean seeds and nuts, garlic, apples, turmeric, broccoli, spinach, berries, apricot. Now let's see the effect of these foods, how they work in preventing the coronavirus disease and keeps your lung healthy. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries and all these berries contain phenolic acids, flavonoids, tannins, ascorbic acid and other various beneficial phytochemicals. And fatty fish like mackerel, crab are rich in the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These are known as PUFAs or polyunsaturated fatty acids, and they have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antioxidative and heart protective properties. So consume fatty fish or take a fish oil in your diet. And broccoli, it is the king of all foods that heal. Scientists have found that broccoli is a good source of sulforaphane, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer and antimicrobial properties, and it has been found that it helps in reducing or prevent cancers of the lung, stomach and breast. So consume half a cup of blanched broccoli every day. And avocados, these are rich in vitamins E, K, B6, riboflavin, pantothenic acid and niacin and are loaded with polyunsaturated fatty acids. These vitamins have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So consuming avocado will help reduce arthritis also. So consume half an avocado every day. Turmeric, the golden spice, has been used for ages to help alleviate various health problems. Curcumin, the main active ingredient, is responsible for all the goodness turmeric offers. It is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. These properties make turmeric ideal for counteracting many diseases. And spinach and other green leafy vegetables like rocket spinach, kale and radish greens are loaded with vitamins and minerals. And scientists have found that spinach contains phytochemicals that help prevent oxidative damage, reduce inflammation and fight cancer. So consume at least a cup of spinach every day. Apples. These are rich sources of antioxidants and phytochemicals that help reduce the risk of asthma, cancer, inflammation, and cardiovascular diseases. Ginger. It is one of the trusted home remedies for treating cold and sore throat. And scientists have found that it contains a bioactive compound gingerol, and it is responsible for the pungent taste of gingerol. Gingerol also help prevent asthma, migraines, and apples. Apples, to be honest, it holds true here as well. Apples are rich sources of antioxidants and phytochemicals that help reduce the risk of asthma, cancer, inflammation, and cardiovascular diseases also. And garlic. Allicin is the main phytonutrient present in garlic that is responsible for its numerous health benefits. It has antimicrobial, anti-cancer, and blood pressure lowering properties. And it has found that garlic has a positive effect for treating various lung diseases also. Sweet apricots. They contain compounds which scavenge the harmful free oxygen radicals and protect your lungs. So consume them in the form of salads. Grapefruit. It is known for its magic weight loss boosting properties and numerous health benefits. This low calorie fruit is a good source of vitamin C, B6, thiamine, folic acid and magnesium. It contains a bioactive compound flavone which is very helpful for preventing lung disease. And beans, seeds and nuts have two things in common. They are great sources of protein and they have anti-inflammatory properties. So by consuming them, you will be able to reduce inflammation, cholesterol and blood pressure and manage your visceral adiposity. So consume about a half cup of beans and a handful of nuts and seeds every day. And chicken and turkey. These are the most widely consumed poultry and great sources of lean protein. Scientists have found that a diet rich in poultry could reduce the risk of lung cancer by 10%. Make sure you consume hormone-free poultry for best benefits. Consume broiled, poached, and grilled poultry for lunch or dinner. And consuming chilies every day will help keep your health in optimum shape. So you see, these foods are really easy to get from the supermarket or the farmer's market. All you have to do is plan over the weekend and get all the ingredients and store them in the refrigerator. Now let me list out the foods that you must avoid to keep your lungs healthy. There are certain things which you have to follow to keep your lungs healthy. In lifestyle changes, you have to quit smoking and avoid passive smoking, eat healthily, and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and exercise every day. To conclude, foods have great healing power, and so does your mind. Train your brain to help you reach your health goals and not give in to smoking. Thank you.